Good morning, my angels. It is Monday, April 27th. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. So let's go ahead and get started for what we will be working on for the week. It will be a busy week, okay? Just so you know, it will be a busy week. Now, starting today, you'll start seeing grades again, not only in Google Classroom, but you will start seeing grades in Hack. All right, so pay attention to that. If you have any problems or any issues with any of the assignments, please don't hesitate to reach out to me so I could see what I could do to help you to make sure that you are mastering the content. Okay? All right, so let's go over it. So if we grab our handy dandy template, for today, for Monday, April 27th, it says Asia Historical Events video. So what you will be doing is you're going to watch 3 videos. I believe the videos are maybe about a minute to 3 minutes each. Once you have watched the videos, then you're going to go ahead and click submit. The videos are about political leaders of Asia, and it's basically giving you an overview of historical events of the 20th century and how that has had a long lasting impact on the governments of East Asia and Southeast Asia. The videos are really interesting and the videos are tying to the lessons for the week. All right, so this is for a grade. This is an easy grade. So let's get that one started, okay? All right, and you will see that grade in Hack. The second assignment is for Tuesday, April 28th. That's comparing governments of East and Southeast Asia. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link to open up these slides. There are 3 slides. You're going to look at the freedom rating, just as you've been doing. And then you're going to use the chart that's on slide 3 to fill in your information. Basically, determining is it a limited or unlimited government. Super easy assignment. All right, then for Wednesday, not only is that our Zoom day, I highly encourage you to get onto Zoom. Zoom is it's a great time for us to get together and discuss some issues. But this Wednesday is North Korea Day, so hopefully you'll join our Zoom day for this Wednesday. And also for Wednesday, there's a few things that you will be looking at. You will be reading this News Ella article. All right. All it's talking about is China's one-child policy. Super interesting. I'm also going to attach a video that you could follow along with me as I've read it to you. Okay, and then there are also 2 videos that you can watch on Japan and one-child policy. Basically, what it's done to the population. Think about China being a very dense area, right? So they needed to figure out what was the best way to minimize the number of people that were coming into the world, right? So the population was growing in a vast pace. So let's put our social studies thinking hats on and think about, is this a great idea what they did? Because they thought about the situation at that moment, but they failed to think about the future. All right, so think about that as you're reading the articles. Remember that part, okay? And then let's see. And for Thursday, you are going to have a puzzle video. So it looks like this. All right, you're going to click onto Edpuzzle. Now, when you click on Edpuzzle, you're going to see various little marks in between that's embedded within the video. Now, basically that's saying that you can't go any further until you answer the questions. All right, so it's going to ask you questions about what you just saw. It will ask you a question, then it'll play the video again. After you answer, it'll play the video again. Then it will ask you a question again on what you just saw again. All right, so I believe there's maybe 7 questions on there. So it's a very interesting video. I think you'll like it on North Korea. And then you will also read this article on modern issues on the same day. Okay, so make sure you read that. For Friday, you will be reading The Great Leap Forward. This was a major disaster. All right, Mao Zedong, major disaster. So I did put together another video for you on the videos for the Newsella, the video for modern issues, and a video for the Great Leap Forward, basically explaining how some of these things just weren't well thought out plans. I really want you to watch the videos, or at least listen to me read it to you, because it's going to help you to better analyze these articles that you'll be reading. It's almost like we're in class, you know, people are asking questions here. I'm kind of summarizing it for you already. Okay, let's see. Again, you will see graded assignments in Google Classroom, and you will see graded assignments in Hack. You'll see the graded assignment on Asia historical event videos, and the comparing governments in East and Southeast Asia in Hack, the Ed Puzzle, and the Great Leap Forward, and Modern Issues. You're going to see those grades in Google Classroom. All right, so you're asking, well, why are you putting in so many assignments? All these assignments are making sure that, just so I know that you're understanding the concepts, it's not, they're very short assignments, so it'll average out to a very short period of time that you'll be reading these. I think this takes maybe like 5 minutes to read. Okay, so I've kind of analyzed the time, not to overwhelm you. So please read all the articles that I placed in there for you and watch all the videos. Also, what do I do now? You'll notice that there are 4 videos. These videos are super interesting. I put in a North Korea video. I put in Tiananmen Square. That one is a cool video. We call it the Tank Man. Basically, that's about college students who were protesting in China in Tiananmen Square, and this man, who to this day no one knows him by his real name, they just know him as Tank Man. He is one of the first to stand in the middle of the street, and as the tanks are approaching him, so you got to watch the video to see what happens next. All right. All right, guys, I am here to answer any questions. Google Classroom. Of course, you can place your comments individually. You can also email me in Gmail, or, of course, in Google Hangouts. All right, my angels, I love you and I miss you, and have a wonderful, productive week. Stay safe. Bye.